Hey darlings, so I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial with Artist Couture. It just came out. It's from a Latino makeup artist. His name is Angel, but he calls himself Mac Daddy. And he has a makeup line called Artist Couture, and he just came out with Supreme Nudes. And this is a beauty. And it has all these different beautiful nudes and metallics. I always am a fan of nudes. It's kind of like my go-to tone for daytime, nighttime, or smoky eye, cat eye. So you always need a really good nude. And I know that there's been different dimensions of nude, like Huda did a nude, but it was more of the pinky tone, and I love that too, and I have it actually. But brown nudes, neutral nudes are fantastic. So I'm gonna be doing a look from the makeup artist that created this line called the Halo. I've always loved the Halo and I've never tried it. So I'm gonna be doing also swatches, and so you guys see the colors on my skin. I'm pretty much like a beige, golden beige, olive tone. I have yellow tones in my skin, so I'm gonna do the swatches on a separate video. But for now, we're just gonna go with the Halo. So as you see, for the purposes of just doing the eyeshadow, I already did makeup and my eyebrows. And as you can see, I have kind of powder on my under eyes, just because if there's any excess, it'll just fall out and then I can just brush it off. So any translucent powder. We're gonna start with Eccentric. It's over here, Eccentric. And we're gonna do that all over the crease like he did in his video. So let's see. So I'm gonna get a Morphe fluffy brush and I'm gonna go and do it right here. This is my first time using this product, so ooh, it literally just packs on, guys. So a little goes a long way. Ooh, all right, darling. So yeah, this is a great formula. Great. So you're just gonna, he says, like, do a circular motion all over the crease line. Great color. I love me a nude. A nice brown tones. It's one of those endless glamorous types of looks that never go out of style. It's timeless. It never goes out of style. Then, just so he takes a much smaller tapered brush, like so, and he goes to the color Aesthetic right over here. He's gonna put that in the outer and the inner part of the eye, leaving this part pretty much bare, and that's what's gonna create the halo effect. So he says to put it right in the tip. Guys, it's just glides right on. He says to do kind of like, ooh, beautiful circular motions. This is a beautiful brown. So I'm also learning how to do this as we go. So it's like a one-time learning and trial all at the same time. Ooh, I see it. I see it. guys, the formula of this matte is fantastic. It goes right on with very little effort, which is a great thing. Sometimes you gotta be building it up and now we're gonna take a more really tapered brush like so, and it's kind of on the flat side. I don't know if you can see that. Flat side, bam. And we're gonna take the color Lavish. These are one of the glimmers, guys, and I feel that it's like a pure rich gold. So let's see how it applies on to the brush, and we're gonna go on. Oh yeah. Oh yes. For these types of looks and these glamours, also the finger is pretty good. Let's try with the finger. Oh yes, definitely. There's something about like the skin, your temperature, and the texture of your fingers that really helps with eyeshadows, with glimmer, and with a little cream, and it just activates all of those things beautifully with the eye. Okay, I see the halo going on. Bam. Okay. Well, let's try to blend this out. More in the middle over here. Kind of blended it out. I think it's coming out pretty good. I'm gonna go back to the eccentric over here with a smudge and do a little bit of the lower lash line just to give a little bit more of a, and connect it all together. I'm gonna go clean out everything here. Let's see how that goes. Oh shit. So he puts lashes on. I'm not gonna be putting lashes on today, but I feel that I should put a little bit of like liner so I can and mascara to my natural lashes to see how that looks like. And I'm gonna do it off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So for an eyeliner, I use the Tattoo eyeliner from Cat Yumby. So this is kind of like a sample that I had from Sephora. Love those. And for mascara, I did my Lash Splash. I love the high and lows. If they're good quality, I don't mind spending. I'm a low bargain girl, so yes, this is also what I used. And for a little bit more like depthness, I use the NYX Wonder Pencil, and I put it right on my waterline. And I put it in both my lashes, in top and bottom. Just kind of like also what he mentioned in his video is like after you do your under eye powder off, it kind of gives a little bit of the whiteness. Just so let me put some more bronzer to give a little bit more of the definition. So the bronzer I've been using lately, I love the Scott Barnes palette, but sometimes when I'm on the go and just need something super light, I've been using the Butter Bronzer. This is kind of like a really great product, guys. It's creamy, and it gives like that really sun-kissed brown bronzy look. I have the bronzer and the color deep bronzer. So I'm gonna do a little bit of the both, so just to kind of toast around. So I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and I'm just gonna kind of go around and bring everything together. And it smells like a beach. So good. This line of lipstick as well, and I bought Power Play, which is a really cute brown, and I also bought Boy Toy, which is kind of like a pinky nude. You can never have a beautiful nudes, like just brings it out. I like with a little bit of tint, a little bit of color. I like also the more muted ones, but for this one I'm gonna go a little on the darker side just because the halo effect, you know, is kind of going well with that versus the pinky. I don't think that that's kind of like the tone plus what I'm wearing, so I'm gonna go with Power Play. Let's see how his beautiful tone. I could also lip line this, but I'm not gonna do it today. This is so cute. Glides right on. So great. This is so good. And it smells so good. Oh, I put a little bit on. I also bought his lip gloss, Uncensored 2.0. So sorry about the light, guys. Let's see if you do it here. Bam! Uncensored 2.0. And I'm gonna put it right on top of this one. Look at the packaging, it's beautiful. Everything is beautiful, but I'm gonna do all of that in a separate video. My word. Gorgeous. 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 I really love his products.
Yeah.